It's telling them galore. But if you come into the script, this is said. That guy come after 5 beats. I
go and Google.
You can't Google it. There's a language there that we use. From me at your hands. So that we can do these things.
No. This episode is brought to you by Vatsonga Holdings. Enjoy. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi guys, welcome to Basani Pretty's channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe in all our platforms. You can also follow us on Facebook as well, the same name, Basani Pretty. So today, as usual, I have management at the back. Thank you management for keeping the camera going. So before I start or anything, I'm sure you can see it on the screen by yourself. So, Minjani.
Lovely.
You prefer English or something?
Lovely. As long as you're comfortable, I'm comfortable.
Oh, okay, no problem.
So,
I think we'll stick to English then.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, beautiful. But management, please note that management might be the neck in some way.
It's not mad.
I must have Shilubana is common now.
Elizabeth.
Yeah, so
Fumani and Shilubana, and that is very important. So Fumani and Shilubana, I'm a director, I'm an actor, I'm a producer, and most importantly, I'm a father of 3 kids, and I'm sure of it.
I don't know, 2.
No, because I had 2 for a while before Shasha Trishifika. So I had 1 for 18 years. Before number 2 Shifika. Number 2 Shifika, she's Tariana, fresh one, so it's so forced by Sangam. It's 3, and I'm sure of it.
Hey, yeah, I'm sure my efforts. Sure.
So for 18 years, you had.
Well, not 18, I would say 14.
14 years.
So it's not 4, not 18, so it's like 14 years.
Meaning these kids are from the same mother?
No. Bulani unamana ye, then Sukuna Fumani wanamana.
Oh, okay. So nigesa shoko mitamana Sukuna Fumani.
Ntawana wana mkwao.
Oh, okay. So not 2 wives.
No. 2 wives. No, I've got 1 wife.
Okay.
But my son is part of the family. So there's some family. I don't play that game.
Oh, okay. So I'm guessing gore kuwena swin'wa humelela ku ze ku tata Facebook.
Yeah, well, we're young, but we're trying to learn. It's a good one. It's quite a bit of talent. I had the respect. We met there and then went out. I think a year later, a year later, but good thing, in all the 18 years, we never even discussed this. We knew the important thing, we must both be involved in this kid's life. So even when my wife came, she knew we and we are cooperating. So there was no issue. So no issue.
Okay. So you co-parent. How does the co-parenting work between you and?
So first is discussion. You guys need to discuss and talk on what's up and what's up. For example, I will like listen. Because most of the time he will be with her like during school and stuff like that. So I make sure that everything that has to do with school fees, all those payments,
covered.
I handle them, and then she handles the other stuff. If there's stuff that happen in between, they happen, we can help each other, then they matter. We knew really these are our responsibilities. So there's no issue. As long as we put up and that's the whole thing. Because next thing I try school fees on my kid. So she never even says somewhere unnecessary. So
But
it was
support.
so close to Chinese man. I was touching Chinese because the way you can't about Monday by a mood because here's the thing, I don't work. I don't have a full-time money that can on a monthly basis. So when it's a contract, they will take those it's very periodic. Therefore, I have to my 1,000. So, but anyway, she's not. Unless I'm one of that mindset at the court. She knew to listen, bro. You want to and I was not even a single day.
So you guys didn't break up because there was a child involved. You just went to separate class.
No. I was 25. She was 21, 20, 24. We were kids. You know, we were kids. So, because I'm not even when we felt pregnant. We got that in there. Kawansati. I'm like, no, don't do that. Come and discuss with me. So
wow.
I was involved from day one.
I'm on 10.
I just said
But they were sure. But they were three and sure.
I want to show you something. Send that picture. I'm picture here. I'm picture one like combo. Who sent me that picture? Oh, I know who sent me that picture. So the one I want you to tell me where. Could Iman do it? Say, me look sure what you found a minute. I shall mean. She found you, my friend. Unless there was no problem.
What is the gist of my thing that is strong?
Me,
I'm gonna go take out his
I
throne.
was going to say, tell me a quick example. Kabamani. Mama, Mansong, 6. They all have children. Out of the 6 children from Kabamani, you go and have fun. They are of different fathers, all of them. But I'm going to get fun. No for day. You go and have fun. If she was a man, change her names. You see this picture?
Yeah, and you pay no free coin.
And then you see this picture, no?
Wow. Yeah. No, Sean. I saw it.
Actually, last week I took that picture only. Immediately she told me to
wow.
I had to confirm no email long. So my point is cool. It could look so woman.
She fashion away.
She found out Shilubana. She had a genius and drove. So as I'm saying, I'm sure of 3 kids and I'm sure of it. Yes, but in a nutshell, cooperating and everything is just, you guys just need to talk. The big thing, because I realize we have a tendency of thinking it's about us, those of one. The one who's a figure, forget you. You don't mean nothing. Focus on one. Because remember, when I and then if my name say look really, in Australia, we are literally breeding Corona by problem. So it's also one. Forget yourself, focus on the kids. Of course, I'm not saying good now. You must ignore something, in the relationship. But sacrifices are more than the kids. I remember I was saying this to my wife the other day. I'm like, in my life, hierarchy is very simple. Ibananga and the rest follow. Yeah. If you have to ask me right now to choose between me and me, I'm not going to choose me. I'm going to choose my kids.
Wow.
So why, if me and they choose me, why don't you choose away? Over one of me. And I can't choose myself over my kids. Mara we can go in, no matter because my wife is working moving. Oh, I'm moving at the Shilubana. If I need to choose away, I have another man.
I have a Shilubana.
Even though men and to choose if not choose away, I choose me in the vibe.
Mara loko ma na expanda kale munhu luya ava vambutse ku choose between mina na vanhu yena langa
Man,
anga rhwala ndwalo
sick, because who's in that one? No, because can we fix this thing? You carry the child, therefore I'm gonna win. It can never be a child. She's not 23 chromosomes, Shilubana, 23 Taranguin. It's as close as I away. Now, which goes over one. Stop karate, she's in league.
I should karata so.
Abuna Mutwari, and a Kuzumana one, as Manzika. It's not easy, but I can't now. It is a bit too common. Shakatamara, at least kuna balance. So, my point is whether you carry the child, I shall wear as I say.
You're both pregnant.
We are pregnant. As I said, I never said she, I said we are pregnant. Because let me give you another example. These things, it's about teamwork. Season 1 at Giyani, when we shot it, before even, I remember we signed the contract. I'm like, man, between the end of June, end of May, beginning of June, I'm in labor in that period. So let's sign the contract. You guys must be aware of that time. I think we're gonna shoot until July, August somewhere. So meaning I'm gonna deliver whilst we're shooting. Be aware of that particular period. But be aware of it. I think there was a mistake through production. Someone forgot about that particular request in the end. I think it was Limpopo Tourism or some government department somewhere. But no, what goes like Kansan or following the Limpopo. And it was during that time that delivered. No, you are school me, it's good. I can't go there. If you never go, no, yes, mistake was made, let's change. We shot it like Joe. So here's my point. That evening, Afana Lake and Sat. She's going through contractions.
Sure, contractions.
Yes. And then I must leave. I still going up and down. I shout out, what's up? Oh no, not pain. How often is this pain coming? I don't know, every 10 minutes. No, Nisha, I found it. Drove to hospital, look at this, which is 6 centimeters dilated. Now, take a look on the boom. No need to wait. After the dilations are very, the contractions are one. And ask you, you see, it's a teamwork.
Yeah, it's a teamwork.
So, we are able to mistake. Excuse me, not for if you're gonna carry a leg, you have to do. I think it's true. Sort of relationship.
And I shouldn't say kakore purpose ya tomi ya kuba ngomkhemehanya ichi. What's the purpose of your life? After the
purpose of my life. She was dead. But in a nutshell, I mean, it's to try to make the world a better place.
Okay.
With the gifts and talent that God gave you. I mean, imagine all these gifts and whatever, and you don't try to make the world a better place. I feel it's a waste and it's being selfish, honestly, because if I don't make someone's life better through me and their contact, then what's the point of being alive? To make people miserable. I find that to be miserable. So I think my people is honestly, who do I make better? Who do I improve in their life? Do I succeed all the time? No. Will I succeed all the time? Never. But the little that we ever will achieve being in my space, the better. I always say to anyone who works with me, I don't come to me with a mindset you're an employee. I don't want you in my space. I want to work with partners because employees back at what did you put in? So as I'm saying, whoever I meet, whoever I work with, can you be my partner? That way I know through me, you'll have to improve. Through you, I'll have to improve. So it's a give and take. If I don't make anyone happy or anyone improve through my space, and then don't be in my space. Let's just go be someone else. It's easy. And I don't even have very bad feelings. So it's electrician. Without you change the direction, it's fine.
You can go.
Do your thing. Everyone has their own journey. So like I'm saying, why I'm saying that is because the bottom line is my purpose. Look, all sharp, whether with me or not doesn't matter. Whether I was a stepping stone or better somewhere else doesn't matter.
And how do you measure that?
I don't care about it really. After we've interacted.
Okay.
You see, if I can sit here and count the people that I have helped, but I'm not called.
How?
No, I won't even do it. There is a lot of people that I've made sure good. So whether they come to me after that or not, I don't care. As long as I've improved your life at that time, move on. It's your baby. Go do it. My thing in it. Those are mental like, oh, it's my baby. That's why I don't club, I don't drink,
Oh, you don't do that?
I don't do all that. Look, when my manager called, while she was talking to you, we rarely even meet men. My acting agent, the last time I saw them physically, it's close to 2 years now, I haven't seen them physically.
Wow.
We just talk over the phone. If my workload can go. My manager, like, I stay home, man.
So, you don't meet for food?
No, man.
Now I understand what I mean. You should Gaza or Gaza.
Man, Gaza, man.
Okay.
Man, no, come cool now and get the parties for us around. Gaza is which one was around. I'm going to catch one. No, come cool now. If I was having a Steve, they get the party. This is not the part I'm going to man.
Madam, you don't drink, you don't club, Shilubana, she would so she one shago. Mengaba Mikulili Queenie, Melokulanjani.
Nuclear standing, nuclear sugar.
Kashluban.
Until I was 14, and 14 back there, one is a boarding school, 14. One is a boarding school in Mukopani, Pipirest. And then I was there for a year, and then I left to Nelspruit. Nelspruit, I was there for 3 years. That's why I did my matric. And then left Nelspruit, near Univen for 1 year. Then left Univen, came to Pretoria. That was 2000. Pretoria, I was staying inside, afraid in sunny side. But every weekend.
It's not really true. So I Univen, I'm like.
And BSc in agriculture.
Okay, what happened?
I rebelled. So the plan was this. The plan was this money. I had applied a Cape Peninsula. That none of you know it here.
Cape Peninsula.
I'm not technically it came down. It was called Cape Peninsula.
Yeah, very CP.
I know what it changed. Remember when Bati changed and all those things? During that time, it also changed the name. I know what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So I applied to Cape Peninsula. I found the IT. But the school that I went to, I go to the School of Agriculture. My high school in Nelspruit, but in Methodist College. So Kaya, or rather my dad, expected me to continue in the agriculture line.
Okay.
Even though one of my teachers of agriculture, Mr. Mashavira, I know what that means. So next year we're like, either in the veterinary services, not about vet, or in the food services, food technology. There's something called IT. How in IT say? Computer, and I'm like, yeah, I like that, I want to do that. Even now, I keep an issue. Bantek. Look, so I talk say next year, we're like, looking at the IT, look up, and it's not going to happen. Agriculture. That's what we took it there for. Guys, I don't want to do that, but hey, we didn't waste our money for nothing. Hey, one, without win, we just followed. Okay, sharp, I'll go to, we start applying on other universities, but Univen, I got space in Univen. No, but here's the deal. There's no way I'm going to think like that. Because, Dealing, Vendana, not my high school, because my high school was in a mountain. So it was the same thing. Where I was in Vendana, I felt it's the same thing. Vendana, my village, and my school, I felt it was the same thing. I wanted a different environment. Dealing, but with a Univen for first 6 months, and then from 6 months to we transferred that in a tax. Okay, sure. Did that process went well and everything. No, I can't figure. But next, that's someone like this. Okay. So that's why I discovered Fumani for the first time.
Wow.
I'm like, Fumani, you're gonna go back to Univen without 6 months and go to high school. I went to set. Played basketball, did nothing, just up and down, and then my bazaar, so I had money. So I just chilled the whole year. Look, let me figure it out. The results did about sub minimum. You know, feel that there's no results. So then we changed. I came to Pretoria. I came and I need Pretoria Tech, ITUT,
Technical Pretoria.
Pretoria Tech, then industrial engineering.
Okay.
I also did for like a year, and I did for 2 years actually. In Netherlands, in the following year, in the ITU technical essay. My technical essay. It's merged with UNISA. So you see what UNISA does? Distance
learning.
Now your technical essay. That's
was doing that.
It was similar. So they merged it with that technical university. They changed that into measure into that. So that's what I did in event. That's what. So I dropped that twice before I did acting. So, but all in all, yeah, that's my genius call.
But you said something, that you discovered Fumani.
In
that
time.
period.
Yes.
What did you discover there?
Well, I want to do what I want.
Okay.
In the first line, in life.
Oh, okay.
Because had I discovered Fumani before that, I would have done IT. I would have refused to do it because this is what I wanted. But then I was still young. I was still dependent on what I know. But when I discovered, no, Fumani speak for you. That it was a day where I stood for myself, and that's when that Fumani, even till today, you do not force me to do what I don't want. I do not care who you are. Then no amount of money you flash in my face to do what I don't want. That's not gonna happen. If I don't want it,
So we can agree that you are goal directed, and it depends on what you want.
It's you see, if it doesn't feature inside my value and my principle, forget it.
Well, are you a Christian?
I grew up Christian. I'm questioning it a lot these days. I'm still Christian because that's what we do.
What do you mean?
Here's what I mean. Here's what I mean. Christian uksus kakongwe meeting again, but again. In Christian space. Lo ukakangwe. Kuna lo ayo ngangeni. But again. Okay. A Christian who acknowledge your ancestors. Even though you're past, just to acknowledge them. But again.
Just to acknowledge.
No, not to pass. Just to know you acknowledge your ancestral line. They also give them issue with that in the Christian space, right?
Isn't it debatable because it depends on how you acknowledge them?
It is debatable, but it is not debate. So here's why I'm saying. Fumani my grandfather, great-grandfather, great-grandmother, she would not have given birth because they took her, they tried. So because I couldn't start almost was Shilubana, no, we need to make a plan. Right? But then again, after after Mhlaba, man John Cliff Fumani. So I couldn't Fumani without Nangalia.
So I acknowledge.
Yes, whatever they did, it has to be acknowledged because I'm gone. I'm not saying I go and pass and do. I don't do those things. I've not done those things. But my point is, I'm saying there are certain things in a Christian space. We tend to be very hypocritical. Christianity at one point, yes, they refuse that.
But that's culture.
But my point exactly. So where it conflates, that's why it gives me a problem. But here's what I do. Most of my principles are based on Jesus Christ. Like, be nice to people, be helpful, love people. All those principles, that's what I live with me.
No pray.
Yeah? You pray.
Okay.
You pray, and not to the ancestors, but there are certain elements where I acknowledge my great-grandparents. Let me give you an example. Quite a study called epigenetics. I don't know if you know it. An epigenetic study, it means this. It means and the choice of lifestyle that she chose, dietary-wise, and other stuff, it impacts you namuntlha. Do you know that?
Yeah, I do.
So, if that is the case, why can't I acknowledge those people? Because the decisions that they took, they impact me now, and how I live and how I am. My grandfather, both of them, from my mom's side and my dad's side, they were very confident. I'm a child of the shoe.
And you've inherited that.
I'm like that. And I'm very principled. I'm child. So it's them.
Yeah, I think the acknowledgement can go to them, but not worship.
No, I'm not talking about worship.
Yes.
No, I'm not talking about
I
worship.
think that's why I'm saying you are a Christian because you're not worshiping them. You're just acknowledging that they live.
No, I'm not talking about worshiping. We've never done that. I've now done Mara. Let me give you another example. Normally, in a Christian space, I remember we were shooting this show in Pumaland. So whilst we were shooting, one of our directors, whilst we were there, I know nothing about that. But trust me, I helped. I sat and waited to go back for my bring what I brought. What I brought. Normally, my Christ, my balega that's in that space. I'm not. You want nothing with that.
Sometimes it's fear.
Fear of what?
You don't want the spirit to be
no, guys. No, fear of what, guys? Fear of what? I helped. What's my research? What? I stood there because I knew I can't say anything because I don't know what's happening here. But they know what's happening, these guys. What I'll do, I can't let the two of them bury through because we're all going. You can't leave her. I had to play a hand, and I stood there. And up my brain, what affects this is something white until that lady became fat.
Wow.
My Christians. And she wasn't Bora going to Christian. Miranza, I mean, hypocrites, my guess.
Yeah. As a man,
I know that, but this one, people who share things. You find people in Ebjaleni, they share more than Christians. Have you seen that?
True.
Yet, let's love our neighbors. Let's love each other. Let's be friends with each other, but you don't share each other. Come.
But remember, we are repenting.
As
Christians, we are repenting every day.
No. But my issue is general with almost every Christian everywhere you go. Dude, Bushila, man is against me. I'm gonna pray for them to die. Amen. What? Matitwa.
You go vessel
no. Mfundisi can't say I pray for whoever to die. Mugo amen.
Okay, so what about things that are happening nowadays at churches? You find out that the robbers go and rob church. How do we pray for those people?
You know what? Muslims hate you guys. As Christians, they are very practical. They come to a village, they get there, like, you're hungry, come work for us. Here's money. Who do you think that person will pray to? Jesus or Allah? Christianity, the problem with Christianity, you are not practical.
Most of the time, human beings tend to...
No, but Muslims are also human beings.
Yes,
they also
included. I'm including them.
But they are practical. So my issue is that you asked me, am I Christian? Even and I stopped and thought, it's because of such things. Because we are hypocrites of the last number.
And we are repenting every
But
day.
we can't be using that thing every time whilst we are doing the same thing every day.
Yeah, I think it's a debatable topic for another day again.
Let's just be practical. And there was a time about the tithe and everything. Here's what I would do, man. I would rather take my tithe and shall have someone's food and then take to church. I would rather do that than take to church. I took my money and go to this family unknowingly to me.
So you don't believe in that verse that says, if you don't bring tithes into the storehouse, he will send you.
I saw with the storehouse.
I'm okay. He will send you devourers to devour all your money,
So
like also the 90%.
If God will decide to eat my money after I've taken food to go feed the family that I don't know, then I have a problem with God. I just went and fed the family that I don't know. I just took my money that I could have given to my children and fed people that I don't know, strangers. Then I found a shower, then you need plastic, take one farmer. I don't want nothing from them. And then God decided to punish me for that. Nah, I have a problem.
So, okay, I think it's okay. Let's leave it. I think you believe in that, and I also.
I believe in people.
You believe in people.
Yes, God is there. God, we pray to God, but God said we must help each other. The reason why He brought Eve and whatever happened, that whole thing was about helping each other. There is no point in any time, in any point in our lives that we cannot live without helping each other. And helping each other means by what? You must also bring in your game. You can't sit and go, if you know, China. So that's even the Bible says faith without work is nothing.
That, yes.
So it's like praying without in the past don't start.
Yeah, that one.
No, everything. No, I will pray, but you don't want to go plant.
Yeah, true.
No, I will pray my clown against that no problem. So, I'm about practicality. And applying how God says, but in practical terms.
In practical
That's what I'm
terms.
saying.
Wow. I think I agree with what you say. I do agree.
I didn't mean you must have Thank you.
So after Univen and then technical, what happened with your life?
I did some modeling thing. And then for some reason we meant to, because we were supposed to go to Italy. So this company went across the country looking for 10 boys, 10 kids, 10 boys, 10 girls, excuse me, across the country. And then one of the finals last century on. So we all had to come. So they came to Zanin, and I'm like, you know what, let me just join this thing. I modeled, I'm part of the 10. I became Centurion, meeting everyone from South Africa. Then they also wanted 10 as well.
So you left school?
No, I was because what happened, I was doing first year in industrial engineering. So the following year, the final, I said, I was coming back to Joburg anyway. To Gauteng anyway because I was going to Pretoria Tech. Anyway, I came back, it was January. I went to those finals. Even there, I became part of the 10 again. 10 boys and girls. The final 10 that let's go to Italy. Even after that, but no, here's the plan. This is what we'll do. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 to go to Italy. One of the requirements we had to go get sponsorships. So in my journey of looking for sponsorships, I was walking past the State Theatre one day, and I was in this building, and I walked in, and I asked the lady there. I was asked, "Well, what's happening?" In 18. No, speak to this lady. There was another lady at the reception. Okay, I didn't matter. Hey, seriously, is it? Listen, come on Monday. There's a play that I wrote that we'll be doing at the end of the year. You fit the role exactly. But for you to get that role, you must go to our class first. So come on Monday. Huh? Hey, I'm not on Friday. Bossman, can there bazi or takes? I don't know what I took. I don't know what's her name. Okay, already one. I'm about to drop school again. So come on, go register. I'm not sure what I'm register. I'm sure take the money, came back, registered, and the rest is history. That was 2000. So I've been doing it since then till today.
Wow, so you've been acting. Where I know I've received your bio of what you do, but I also wanted mention so that we see really. Stay. More mention the sum of
Oh. Dude, it's 20 years. Okay, one of the best moments in my acting, I got him just 2015, 16, 17, somewhere there, not 17, before, between 12 and 16, somewhere there. I was cast in a movie. And then it was an American film. So we called a play, but no, come to Cape Town for a script reading. The whole cast will be there and the script reading. I shot food Cape Town, got to Cape Town, back home inside this room, we went in the room. Script is possibly on the table. And I'm sitting here, I'm waiting for my turn. So then I said, man, I'm happy, man. So when I get to place, I'm very reserved before I so anyway, I'm sitting, waiting. See, my script, my name is written. This one, there's no name. This one next to me here, there's no name. 2 seconds. And Mama, you come for me. Okay, so I'll say gentlemen. Okay, sir. Anyway, landlord, there is script next to me. Nasho, Ashnabito. The one in front of me, Ashnabito. Now, all the other they would name. Oh, I'm thinking nothing of nothing. That's I mean. I don't know if you know Sean Penn. Google him. Sean Penn comes and sits here. Hey. Now, tell me. Javier Bedam comes and sits here. Now, tell me, Louis Charlize Theron comes and sits here. Man. This wasn't nice. So when we were studying, Sean Penn was used as our reference. And all of them, 1, 2, 3, they are all Oscar winners, 3 of them. They are big stars in Hollywood. Like they're not big, they are Hollywood. And I'm sitting in the middle of them, just we're not. But again, what I told you earlier about me, I'm very composed. So I compose myself. If Fumani, come down, these are your colleagues for now. Not happy, not just come down, focus on what you come here to do. Come to your lines and prepare. And yeah, I read my lines, but yeah, that's good. So yeah, shoot 3 months later, because after that, what happened is they took me to a 3 months class to learn how to speak in a Liberian accent. And in that 3 months, they also wanted me to lose weight. So they gave me a program, and I had to go to a dietitian, and it was a whole thing. So I lost weight a lot. I'll show you a picture. I lost a lot of weight. So because they wanted me to lose weight. Because I remember even Sean Penn called me himself, like, listen, we want you, but you're fat, want you to lose weight. And I cut, in that 3 months, I've cut that weight. I went from 100 and something, 102, 3, to like 70 something. That's how much I cut it.
For 18.
What am I? Even say yes, shoot. After we shot, like I said, May, every time when I'm done working, I leave. Now one farmer, I don't want to stay with you. I left. And then now suddenly in my hotel room, one of our cast members, she sends me a text. Yo, Fumani, come downstairs. The boss is talking about you. Sean Penn, how you was directing. I go down, get there, yo. Listen, bro, you killed the thing. Now this is an Oscar winner saying to me,
You killed it.
Like you killed it. How old are you? I told him. Your weight? I told him. Your height? I tell him. Listen, I was talking to my producer here. We think you can actually play O.J. Simpson. The mistake I made, I did not take his contact and email. I did, because remember, it was my first time being in Hollywood. So I did not know the game. So someone later told me, Fumani, in that case, what you do in that case, get their email. Then after you get their email, you continuously bug them about, yo, email, yeah. Yo, because how Hollywood works, you can't live here and go to Hollywood. They need to invite you. So man, so I would say in my acting, that's the most exciting thing I've, not the biggest of course, because I've done a lot, I don't know what's the biggest, because I've done a lot of big projects. But in terms of a note up there, it has with that, because here's the guy that I was taught with, we were referring to him as we're being taught. And I was able to go tell him, but I know you were our reference when we act. And that's, for me, is a full circle. And he's an Oscar winner.
That's big, eh?
That's so for me. After that, look, when because I remember, I won't say this producer's name, but he's a very big producer guy, SABC. He didn't want me to do a show, my first TV show. Even the director, I can mention the director, it was the Venda gentleman. I want him, the Venda man was saying, I want him, the producer, no, he can't act. Okay, even if I ask him down, producer will act, So, after that story, when this gentleman, I've frustrated the Zulu producer, I'm caster, and then 10 years later or so, Sean Penn, I'll go actor. Look, I couldn't know when I'm saying, I'm going to go to actor. After Delusions Penn, Umanu, who are you? Who are you? This is an Oscar winner. So I think in terms of my all these things that I've done, I've just done another one, which I think is big, but I can't mention it in a big scheme. Another Hollywood as well, where I actually had to learn how to speak Shona.
Yeah.
So I learned how to speak Shona in 3 weeks. So that's how hectic it was. So they loved me in July, but we want you, but they didn't confirm because there was a strike in Hollywood, and they confirmed me 3 weeks before the show was shot. But can you speak Shona? But we want you. Look, give me 3 weeks. I will learn. I will know the language. I knew the language by that 3 weeks. But don't ask me now, because send it to Belgium.
That's what that means.
It was a hard problem. I think those are, and maybe Giyani. For me, Giyani comes in. Why it's not up there, but why it's a note is because it was the first time I did a show in Vatsonga. Because in all the time I've never done that. It was I would be the only Tonga guy and the rest is Vatsonga, and I would say a word like sheshi. There's nothing fun about that. So Giyani for me is dope in that sense. It gave me that opportunity to wow, I can be sitting here and actually having a script written in Chitong. Because I've never had that. So but in terms of the biggest thing, Sean Penn.
So kwala ma touch Giyani ne shin tisela xivutiso xin'wana xa ku xi nga va xi ri kona xiave lexi mi nga xi tlanga ku va na Giyani Land of Blood loko ri ku xi kona hi xi
did nothing.
So myo
It's, and I'm glad you asked that question because there is this belief within Gaza Nation. There is this belief, Yakuri, for some reason, I may direct something in Giyani. I have no power whatsoever. I'm an employee there. Yes, do they ask me, do you know anyone Agotako actor? I'm like, oh, I will refer. Mara. Even if I refer you, it's SABC that makes a choice. It's not even chair that makes a choice. So, no actor, that's my part. But again, actually, I'm glad you asked that. Again, it comes back to what I said on one of my TikToks. We don't have people. And then it sparks what? I don't know actor, which is a fact. We don't have them. The replies, they show you exactly what I mean. Because loku ukubako kuna man. Trust me. Man have one of the lucky things that you guys, not you guys, Gaza Nation, not Vatsonga, Gaza Nation. One of the good things that you guys are lucky with, I'm a very nice person. Look, under my foot of front man. Man, who's careless? Who speaks? Who doesn't care, man? Who's out who just speaks?
A queen.
Doesn't matter whether it's someone who are also so reckless that they shouldn't be making it.
Judas.
Yeah. If I was like Judas' name. I wish I would have shown proof. Do you know how many people? Hey, man, who got audition? And they're like, no, this person can't work. Some of them, after shooting one scene, they drop them. But no, this can't work. There is a lot of them. And they go on social media, okay, yeah, man, I was man. Look, imagine if I'm trying to no, but chief, I know what happened to you. What can you say because I was called? No, your character is very big, I was called. Because no, they took it out because you can't do it. There is a lot of people. Because the thing is, we think just because we're blah blah, just because we think you can act. Talent, let me put this clear out there. Our audience, if I talk Muslim, good. Talent, which a lot of people think is the go-to thing. Out of the 10 checkpoints or other checklists that they want, talent is one. There's 9 other things that you must check. So where? Here are 10 things that you need to check before we take a move. After article 1. Even one after article 9 and article talent. We take a move.
So loko ma ri ka leyo ni ri ku ya n'wina loko swi ta ka Vatsonga lava ni nga ku Giyani Land of Blood a yi targeting ngopfu vona ku ta va xitori xa vona hi ku ya hi ti criticism leti mi nga ti kuma. Does these people va cheka ku munhu wa swi kota ku acta kumbexani vona they just wanted loko a ko va na vanhu lavo a va lava a va ta va ri sharp? Do they consider what actor comedian? They just want people there.
I think let's start here. And this is not only Vatsonga. I think in South Africa generally, we don't know, or rather we don't know how to gauge acting. We don't know how to judge an actor and actress or what criteria here I We think just because a person can cry, that person can act. We think just because a person looks happy or can portray a certain emotion, that person can act. Here's what acting is. Acting means if you have an arc as an actor, every role has an arc. In your arc, from the beginning to the end of your arc, how many times did you convince us as viewers to believe indeed you have a gender? An arc, basically what an arc is. What film have you watched? Or film?
Yeah, sis.
As you go, sis. Give me a common film that you want. You go really.
Jumanji.
Which one?
By The Rock.
By The Rock.
Yeah.
What happens? Okay, fine. Can Jumanji look sungula? They're given 4 lives, is it?
Yes.
But one by one, ta farmer. And at the end of the movie, they need to go get something and then there's a point during the movie whereby Sterling is about to win. Mara, the losing thing is bigger than the winning. Have you seen that? What is that? That's an arc. It's a genius character from Usukelani, Afikalani, Atalani. Every movie you watch, from now on, watch this. There is a formula in every movie. That's what it's called. It's called ooh shit. Ooh shit. Ooh shit. It goes like this until the movie ends. What is that formula? It's an arc of the Jane character. Kurwasungula bambele mwana wafa goes for revenge. Look at what revenge stands at the beginning of the movie. Ne? Even akuma help kabangana, akuma our excitement goes stands. It goes like that till the end of the movie. So from now on, whenever you watch a movie, take a stopwatch, time this. Every 12, 15, 20 minutes somewhere, something happens. Every time. No fail. That's the formula that we have. Now, you asked about, Magego, what do I know about acting? If a person cannot even be able to judge that arc, how do you then judge the person? You see what I'm saying? So that's my problem with a lot of South Africans. Already we cannot tell what acting is, what not acting is. Then how do you expect? That's why I mean, any award, when they give the audience to judge, I don't take it seriously. I can give you an example. I'm talking about a Chiefs fan now. 2 years ago, Banike Doli, a goalie won the goal of the year. He should not have won that bloody thing. But because of our voter, Lodge, he gave Lodge man of the match because he tailed them with a voter. So I don't take it seriously. Mara, if we can first understand what acting is, which I don't expect everyone to know, it's for us it's just entertainment. Maybe I could answer that question better, but for now I can't answer because how do I answer? What is?
Yeah.
So it's Nathan win. No man was caught. There is an actor that people thought she was very good. I won't mention their names here because she's a big actor. And I'm like, guys, if you only knew she was doing that because she forgot her lines. And people they used to mimic it. Oh, she was doing that thing of hers. Oh, it was so dope. She had forgotten her lines. That's why she was doing that.
But isn't it that part of creative?
No. You must know your lines before you become creative. What creative game? What do you like? How you become creative? Tell me. What creative is like? I don't think it's like me. Because story shop is still so we are not spaletta na kale. But already the spaletta shirisho. So that's my only issue. My only issue is we and again I blame us in the entertainment space because we make shows that are very non-fulfilling, non-substance. You look at Giyani for the last 4 years. We go see rich. We do bad things. I call you.
Yeah, no, that's why.
But all the shows are like that. Got the river, back home. Got the queen, back home. Got Gomorrah, back home. Got generations, back home. Got Skim Sam, back home. A common moon who's doing bad things. And that's one thing that bothers me about what we do.
I'm a good story.
Story it's you write it continues, but point you need big names, you need drama for it to be watched. That may bothers me. I don't like it, to be honest with you. But
so just to mention that beside Giyani, he went...
my goodness.
Because I don't know what I'm doing. He worked ka Generations, SABC 1, and then Shaka Ilembe, Mzansi, and this is Mzansi Magic, Isidingo, SABC 3, Giyani Land of Blood, Gavlaula Yoshuswan, Guild, SABC 2, Single Girls, which is also 1, Soul City, Saints.
My first TV, Soul City.
And then Saints and Sinners, which is Mzansi Magic.
Yes.
Is Tembiso.
ETV.
It's Mzansi Magic, yes. And then Isibaya, Sokulo and partners, very Tonga, so. Articulation. Tola, SABC 1.
No, 2. Tola was 2.
One, my one.
Tell one.
And there's Bondi, where ETV,
yes.
The Mayor, Bone of My Bones, SABC 2,
yes.
Death of the Queen, and then the film Zama Zama, The Last Face, My Father's War, Married and Loving It, 5 Tiger, Kalushi, Story of Solomon Mahlangu, and then
The
Drop, Good Omens, Prime, Solomon Mahlangu.
Yes. And the one thing I can choose, of course, it's not yet written there because it's not yet out. I can't talk about it.
I'm not going And then I wanted to ask, in most of the interview, you spoke about the confidence, you spoke about acknowledging your ancestors from that great-grandmother that delivered 2 brothers who delivered someone who delivered you. So I want to ask, in your lineage, are you related to, before that, you also mentioned Goremoma Wosi. So are you coming chief?
Excuse me. Well, no, but here's the thing. In practicality, because yes, I'm in line, but something crazy has to happen for me to be up there. I can't because he's white. Mhlaba, he first born. How many kids are born from Mhlaba?
But then.
Dudu is second born. How many kids are born? Because remember, John is second born here, Dudu. So,
I'm never dating. Police.
So I'm not in line. Well, I'm in line, but not in consideration. No, it's not gonna happen. It's now.
So are you related to Ositamus?
No way. Ntamwisi. Sizontongo ye imona papa.
You will come.
Ntamwisi first born kapondo na Vatsonga. Ibe kona second born kwa Asmat. Asmat will get kids. Asmat uchataka Shilubana. Abuleka papa me. So Asmat uchate mwana Dudu John. Ibo baba na Fumani.
So it's very close. Because I don't go check in like I Google, ne? So I'm going to
Uskulu jana because I don't talk about that one.
Hey, I know PI nyama, no PI nyama shika. Na secha, ma don't know.
It's fine. Yeah, I'll go down.
Kuna screenshot shingwana la ne. Ninga screenshot na kuhlaya na kukhota usitsamwisi ne.
Actually, bitira branca tek. Yeah, you don't need.
Wow.
Fumani nte mama.
That's why I'm important.
No. It's just because it's a branding thing. I didn't because it's not thing. It's because ekaya kuna bafumana by kanje 7 bafumana already. Bafumana so ngakana. Why no ufumana and shilubana go Google. It becomes easier to pick me up. It's just for a branding thing.
So kuna marito lama ne very Vatsonga and good. Mina I'm coming on that fly Vatsonga master kushinjani. I could ne could very mitasala mifumiwa eva.
Eva ngwako yes.
Bata mitekela na leswi nga swa n'wina. Mi twisisa yini marito lama?
Well, because there was a revolt at the time. It was that whole transition that was happening, and then apparently he took a helicopter and went around saying those words. I mean, any leader, here's the problem with leadership, and it's all over the world. It's a principle all over the world. Normally, people in general they don't see it as the leaders see it. And we tend to attack leaders a lot just for the sake of attacking. This guy.
+2 773 187 8200.
I'm sure many people don't know this story. Do you know that he had met with Mandela?
Wow.
When Mandela came out, Mandela asked even Manu, who are the smart ones? Can they look at the homelands? He was one of the guys that was picked to go and meet Mandela. Then he came to his house, they met. Do you know, and here's why I think he picked him. 1972, you must Google this speech. It's called Petty Apartheid. That was wrote it. So the Buffett, whoever was in charge at the time, chose a few homeland leaders could know a summit or whatever la taxla come and let's give a speech. Mara, send your speech ahead before Ufik. So we can vet it. Nzamus was pulled out of that team of talking. Because they read his speech like, hey, this is a problem. Because what the Mandelas and thing you're saying, he said it in 1970. Because this thing is not sustainable. So my point is, Lokse is saying all these things. What did he know that we did not know?
Yeah, I think it makes sense.
Because clearly he knew something. Look now, you feel, and I find it so funny. And what? I'm sitting with people who don't even know my proximity with him. They're like, yeah, I'm like, but you all took him out. Because remember, our people took him out. So Vatsonga would even, in fact, it's even with me right now, because social media. They go, yeah, Vatsonga took act, and no one can ever quote that sign wherever I said that. And I'm saying, before you attack me, ask me, dude, how do we solve it? Because I'm inside there. I know things you don't know. And I know things that I can never say out here. Because they're very confidential. Instead of attacking me on saying this, let us be practical and be proactive on solving the equation. Is that what we do? I don't know how is the Nhlamba in your podcast. It does nothing to me, honestly. You can swear all you want. It does nothing to me. Me, end of the month, I'm sorted with my stuff. Like this happened this past weekend. I'm sitting in my house, I'm working Saturday night. I get a call, okay, Fumani, we are shooting a film tomorrow. Can you come? I didn't even audition. I'm there. When I come and advise you, let's do this. Man, want to get that. So the same thing with Thomas.
So me doing the story, Gaza.
Vatsonga.
Yes, yeah.
So
okay, Vatsonga, we misunderstand you.
No, you choose to. You choose to because.
And you don't think it's justifiable? It's justifiable that we are misunderstanding you?
Let me ask you this question. What do you do at work, or when not on your daily basis? What do you do?
On my daily basis.
What did you study? What do you work in?
Occupational therapy.
Yeah, look, yes, I'm glad you say that. I was crippled at one point. I was cut. I had to go to an occupational therapist to help me retain my hand.
Yes.
Now, here comes Fumani. I want to come and tell you technicalities about your field. What the fuck do I know about your field?
Yeah, I think, I would definitely be defensive.
You're not even defensive. You are telling them, but you are talking nonsense. You don't know what you're talking about. So that's my point. Our people who don't know what they're talking about, yet they speak as if they have a voice in this field. You guys, you don't. You don't know. So my point is, can we be, and this is not only Vatsonga, in general, South Africans will love doing that. At one point, can we learn to say, yo, I don't know this. Let me educate myself. Let me listen to those who know about it. To say, I can't come to you and want to speak over you about occupational therapist. Yes, they helped me. That's all I know.
That pig is.
Mabumba.
Yes.
It means I should have said to that lady, you know what you're doing. After that lady. That's what I should have done. I spent 8 months not working. It was an occupational therapist who helped me to, and I followed her.
You'll be stiff.
I'll be black COVID right now. Flat out. I listened to her. Now my hand is working, though not 100%, but it's working.
And the strength is full function.
No, it's my point is that. So we have a tendency of kujampela shilo because you think you have an opinion. Just because you have an opinion, it's not a fact.
So mara loko mara kwalane okay kombe butsa question lena strong nga va ke umanya ka chimi ula uri
no butsa machavi la
lexi nga endla ku Giyani Land of Blood yi va yi nga ri ku tlangeni namuntlha ka SABC
Giyani is a telenovela. Telenovela it ends. It's got 1 or 5 episodes and it ends. That's how it's supposed to be. Season 1 something happened. Season 2 something happened. Season Season 3 something happened.
And then sweswiwani swi nga endleka ku va na season yin'wana
So I don't want season 1, so I don't want season 1.
i yini xi ya contributa ku yi nga vi ko season yin'wana
Again. So let's just contribute. There's a perception within Bandaka. We think because they see they don't watch it as a ratings, because they don't watch it, therefore they contributed to Kuliela. It couldn't be anywhere close to truth. So, come here, within. Let's go July, because I'm sure July was still on there.
It was in November, in November.
So let's go to July. The song called AS, whatever. So ka SABC 2. What is the third most watched show? Ka SABC 2. So look at share. This means the money that the shows make.
Oh.
Which shows makes money ka SABC 2? Over 10%. I'm Mubangu, 70 Land, Giyani, Nama Mubangu repeat. 9, Nama Hungo of course. So Giyani makes, they're in the top 5.
12.8.
Making most money for SABC 2. There is a third most watched show SABC 2. I mean,
yeah, I've seen it.
Yet, when you say, good guys, from me at your homes, so that we can do these things.
No, mina I think leswi endlaka ku swi va sweswo ni i ku hina Matsonga so actor a hi swi tivi ku i yini acting. Mi sweswi loko no fika ni va na tikhamera nyana ni sungula ku actor ni tsakisa vanhu sweswi va nga ta ku ni va ni khe ni swi endlisa ku yini, they don't care. Loko ko va ku ri na swilo swo fana na Land of Blood, they expect to see me laya aka show liya. Once loyi hina hi twa ku nga ku u blind ku actor u good a va nga ri kona i problem. Hey.
And here's the funny thing. So sad. Here's the interesting in what you say. Ikori, they called me because season 1, but Fumani, help us with auditions. We went to Giyani, we went to Pulukwani, we went to Vatsonga. I've got the audition tapes. I can show you. But I can, if I'm spiteful, like I said earlier, if I'm doing now, or more below beer.
Family Judas man.
You can see with these tapes, these guys are not working. Do you know why they're not working? Immediately I picked up, I'm like, my goodness, we have a problem as Richard. Our whole lives, a reference that we had here acting, it was through radio. So, look, you say act like a TV, we bring radio. So, now, one is in a farm, no. TV, we don't say it's in a farm. It's not a pool. No, we don't say that TV. Those auditions, that's what they were doing. Yes, radio does that. So if you bring radio on TV, because we're working with time, we're gonna say, yay, what a bangarlo. Do you think we're gonna take you? I'll just give you an example. Out of 9 and 10, who do you pick? It's the same concept. So those are the nuances that are there that we're battling with. So instead of us, yeah, Jones, what do? We become defensive. Let me tell you something. Let me give you an example. One I say, this guy. Show. Like if I can Netflix. Okay. Go on phone. Okay? So, how do you shoot your show? What do you mean? Did you shoot your show raw now? What is raw? And million no problem. Money probe further. Okay, where is the footage that you guys shot? Me story queen. No. I shoot a who story drive right there and then, I knew this footage won't qualify to work on Netflix. Because Netflix, you must shoot. What do you mean? You must shoot 4K raw. What does raw mean? It means it's the highest quality of footage that you can have. We shot a show for Netflix that we were busy editing. 4 episodes. We had to buy 2 other hard drives. One hard drive was like 30 grand. Hard drive. Because it was 16 terabytes or something like that. That's how big that file must be. When we shoot the HD. So that when that guy said to me, hard drive and I shoot that. For the thing I shoot that. He like hard drive that guy. I knew already it's not raw because he fit in that hard drive. It is such instances when people say when I say this thing won't work. Because
it won't work.
It will not work. And man, I can't take you to those people because if I take you to those people, it means remember, they trust my reputation wise, I'm good with them. So if I bring you, it means they have to trust you because I brought you. And then deliver. Who do they cut out?
You.
So why the hell must I take my time and my connection to enter on I told you earlier, if you have to make me choose between everything, my kids here,
that's it,
and everything else, I'm choosing my kids before anyone. Quarter when the locks end up again. But point is, Therefore, we have a chance, and here's the funny part that we have. We have a chance. All the other tribes, we went to be strong. The child don't want it. The show about the old. About the old. But Uzalo was the owner is SABC. And by the way, at the producer Mazulu. The owner is SABC. But the river with one up. It's a Mnet. Shaka. You own a Mnet. Kuna Shaka Zulitam can Netflix or so. Because I'm a lawyer queen. Yaka SABC. I come on the man. Say, le souvena ko lo ko yo te tekela iti hlanganisa e ba serious iti trainer na for serious and the school so look out of 100 not 100 out of 10 again all I think we had 80 people who came in the space of 2 years. In that 80 less than 20 are Vatsonga, the rest it was our fine. My point is, I take it serious. If we took ourselves seriously, he had a trainer, he was serious, he entered the show, a mania, would do what Nollywood would have done. Nollywood, they own those shows. It's a war. Meaning, 100 years from now, content I bowl. 100 years from now, Marlo mom continue move from one. It's okay. Do your things. Then I'll do my things. 100 years from now, you're still going to be complaining, Guri. I'm not the hectare. Because what do? We focus on the man, not the ball. I'm qualified, man. I don't have to prove to anyone who I can act. And I'm talking about people who matters. They call me straight, Dr. Man, come work. Mara. Let us admit we're in that deficiency.
Let's mend our ways.
We are repenting. I repent.
Repent every day.
Can we just repent every day? It's got because you see, the moon are in an argument. Here's what I do, man. Look, you argument away. I know we're empty now.
Quite true.
There's nothing. It's emptiness because those are personal. It means you have no argument.
So big.
But also it means you are now sustaining. You can't sustain your argument. Because I'm not true.
And you can't control yourself.
So here's one of the saddest things I've once read. Giyani says in one. One Botswana. I was see guys on Twitter. That have been paying me so much. Do you guys live busy? La Rohana Kashualina and the little Lela. Not the same. Honano had lived because of Libalakatona. And now we're just enjoying the show. So here, he take a foot it is about me. So my point is an opportunity. Labaman, but about to own the show lit. By Netflix, by Amazon, by Showmax, so it's about the show, but to watch in their platforms. They can pay over R1 million for a show. They'll move the mission to I shall listen. They'll pay money. Money away, I get production, I get channel, but it made enter your own industry. Man, if you don't admit to ourselves in that deficiency, I still say that. My God, Fumani, if I like that, and let them continue.
Continue on part.
Money does what they say. Because why must I take someone out of the beginning? Look we don't work like that.
So Maratila Manga was it's
the same thing.
It's the same thing.
We are still there.
So when I'm doing maybe me sell out or something. Look about Bakash because I need the Bulabli in Vatsonga,
sell out here. Let's establish it. What is the sell?
Sell out Mundoi
No, you make us do we to success fine.
Okay, I guess as well. If lovely and then attack us, you say Angela Lava opponents.
Sell out social. So, local Fumani comes and with Arthur. I go, there's a lot of people ever want to like show. How is that being a sellout? Local Fumani other guys. Let me give you an example. You know how acting works, huh? Acting works with ranges, age range. Between certain age and certain age, we audition certain people for that particular roles. Man, I fall between 40 and 50. Yeah, I can push to 50 something because of my beard and whatever, they can dye and make me look older. I can fit them, but for money, I fall under what? 40 and 50s. I'm playing right now. Most of the characters that I play, I'll play fathers. That's what I'm playing now, right? So, since Lopokola audition, we want a group Vatsonga between 40 and 50 with experience to come and audition. Come on, man. Come on.
I static.
I'm going to move, guys. It's a fact. And that's how acting works. We work with range. It's not anything else. In this particular category, we want this. In this particular category, let's leave my age alone. I come about over 60 years old. Come on,
No, but okay, Malta mini bonjan magalene. Logo Giyani ngena. I did really cool. Yes, strictly Vatsonga. I nga expectang na munhu na wun'we loyi a nga va ka kha vulavula language yin'wana. So laha loko se ku fika ku nghena mi kuma ku na ti-language to hambanahambana yini hi swona swi nga endla Vatsonga va ku hayi. And more special season 2. Loko teka season 2 se mi kuma ku se va tele. Se va gina va twa nga ku yo. And another thing, okay, before that, another thing, I think visibility kumbexana information ya ti-auditions a yi fika swona hi ndlela leya ya ku loko aku SABC ku handla ti-auditions a Giyani a tsanini aka Malamulele
I SABC the audition. Okay, let's first go back.
I see.
Ute people expect to give me one show right now. Any one of you can. Give me one show. SABC learning one language 100%.
Show linga 100% ku hava ni mara loko ho languta uza hi languta movana
na uza leyo it's not 100%
mara madanula njani loko languta uzalo ku dominata Mazulu and I'm ku munhu wa Mutsonga aka mere
okay ndi Mutsonga
and okay but I languta
what's the argument
no my argument matayi yini iku vanhu va Matsonga loko nghena va expect ku ma vona xi uzalo nga xiswona a ku na munhu wa Mutsonga loyi nga ta ku swi twa ku le ku zameka izulu ka uzalo and then ka
uko actually wa umsuta bang holo sometimes if she continue ko there's a lady who angamu Musuthu who played in there Zulu. It was a problem but they let it go but continue
you
know the white one, she's light in complexion.
Light complexion, yes. But anyway,
so expectation ya Matsonga.
Yes.
A wo twa ingaku na loko ku nghena tixaka tin'wani maybe 2 or 3.
But again, let's go use an argument. Guys, it's fine. This is an argument. I ask firstly and factual things. There is no show ka SABC that is 100% language, one language. Give me that show guys right now. I corner. Do you know why?
No.
SABC has a policy, a language policy. No show on their platform is allowed to do that. What is SABC? It's a government department, isn't it? In government, when you mess up government policies, what happens with you?
You're kicked out.
You're kicked out immediately. So who comes and wanna mess up the police government in government? Those guys are very finicky. So one, we've established with SABC. It's a government department they have a policy language. You can go Google it, it's there. It's a 70 something split level. The other language can do 70%, the other languages can be playing in the other 20, whatever. Right? So we've established one. Guys are busy, I'm going to show you 100%. Except Mahungo. In fact, Mahungo allow language you want to translate. Good. 2, kuna policy language. Out of the way. Giyani is in 1. It goes back to what I said. Iman, do you know Karata Rich? That was supposed to be tournament. Papandebo. That was supposed to be tournament. We auditioned for Suto. I was still part of that audition panel. We auditioned.
No one.
SABC came in because of Matangwe. Let's go. Now, Boba, that was for Stanza. Okay, I didn't move it. I know you can't move it. Eventually, they settled with who? Because they couldn't find. Our last Puta was busy. If it was Puta. Anyway, I found all our man. Eventually, back my money, back on Papandebo, I got through. Right? Again, man, Yvonne, give me someone her age. One Vatsonga who could have done it. I'm Martin. So man, Yvonne also, remember, her being there does. But look, I'm saying Mantakan. Mantakan. No, it's quite hectic now. It's quite hectic now. Man Baker, when she came to this season, do you know how many times she and I had to Mama this. So she was in trouble, like you can ask her. So let's answer ahead. Because see, the thing is, we think talking does the whole thing. Talking is not the only thing. If you mentioned domination in terms of language. Season 1, Agro Rich, Mvenda, who else?
Rich,
Mandaina, yes. So about 5, it's 2. Then let's come to season 2. Season 2 and 3 had a similar amount of actors in terms of the numbers. You spoke right now. The argument in dominance, right? Out of the 21 actors that were there, I was lying. Fumani, Wise Men, Asumle Kakabaloi, Bramaiki, Sato Bramaiki, Musa, Mashori, Imanes. Giyani, that one that kid didn't speak much. And then Kukuman, I wish in Kensani, I wish in Colin, Yoshanaman. 7, I need a course. Ne? Leslie, Leslie, Imambeko, 11. Right? I need Kakokwan. Ikokwani 12, 12, 13, 14. I need Lodge. A man, Johnny, 14. I put in 15, 16. Johnny, who else? So we are on 17, right? Fine. I got 1. But Rich, not showing only 2 was which event. Manoko, only 1 who paid. Eman 1. Ling 1 kilometer. Mandela will come in and out. We'll say 4, 5. Guys, unless my mates, there's something wrong with my mates. Unless there's something wrong with my mates.
Leswi nga swi hluphaku ngopfu I ku aka Vatsonga sweswi mi swi vulaka ku vanhu vo actor a va kona ene hina hi twa nga ku va kona hi mhaka a hi swi tivi ku I yini ku act
I think that's the main issue. We think because I enter sketch and listen, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of talent. Talent is galore. But the problem is how do you translate it? Because what talent is, it means schooling. And I always speak about skill. You know what I mean about skill? You'll be given a document, the dudes. You'll be given a document when you eat dudes. A dude is day out of day schedules. I'm able to take that thing, Giyani, it means this is what I'm doing. Translate my schedule on how I prepare my scenes. If you can't read that thing or read, if you can't read that thing, why must we bring you in? Because it means you're gonna come unprepared. And unpreparedness, it means this: we're gonna drop that day, and if it's Fumani another that day, who's being paid per day? Because remember, everything is paid per day. As long as money be done, move for money, munzu was shooter. Already I'm on the clock. Lomoni cancel na monk within 12 hours, within 24 hours of my shoot. After let me reverse it. Number one, what money? Book of money Saturday. Okay, there's a show that I'm shooting. But the money Saturday will shoot. Right? I know I'm shooting. Tomorrow Friday. Look, cause I shall have Munzuku. Banks were communicating no, I will shoot this Saturday. It means they're paying me 50,000 rand. Even though I didn't come on set.
Why?
I'm booked for that day.
So I can't do my own activity. Like,
if you cancel me within 24 hours
observed
of my day that I'm supposed to shoot, you pay me my full amount.
How much?
No, they differ. Per actors, per negotiations, everything.
15 to 15,000.
No, they differ. They differ per show. So it means everyone who came that day that did not shoot because I was caught up and the way. It means you pay all those people. I will ask again. Practicality, what do you do in that case? Do you go una talente and you leave the other 9 things, or you go with the 109 things and una talent? Because it means you're gonna pay all those people. And here's the funny part. You know what SABC will say to you? No, we're not gonna give you extra money. Figure it out, because you're only one that's in. Go figure it out. You must shoot it. So I think we just need to accept where we are
and learn forward.
Look at how is in the queen.
yeah.
It's in the queen, guys. It's telling there galore. But if you can't even do the script, look what kuna one never should this is said. That guy come after 5 beats.
I go and Google.
No, you can't Google it. There's a language there that we use. There's a language that we use there. After 5 beats, it's the same thing as saying coming after 5 seconds. That's all it means.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Action, after action, coming after 5 beats. But action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go in. That's what it means. And look, camera editor. Kuri tight, short, medium, whatever. There is a way that you behave. Even though you're doing the same thing. But you see my point. These things I score like a you can have the best talent in the world without understanding those little principles. You can't deliver.
Vatsonga, I think Vatsonga.
Look, this thing you made. Watch under your things. Don't close the comments. Open them.
I won't close them.
We don't learn. We think we know. And I can't go. What do you do, Cameron?
Finance.
Clear message. Not about finance. I'm talking about accounting was in my life. And this time, I've never touched accounting in my life. But I come and tell you about finance.
His spreadsheet.
His spreadsheets are. No. Loco, Barini, come in. That Barazini, explanation, what? That's what our people are doing. They think, and they say things like this, but no, acting a lavish corner. Who told you that?
And because you know that there's a talent, you think the talent is enough.
Enough.
To get you somewhere.
What is, it's a combination. Why do you think people, I won't mention their names, guys. People who are not talented, they make it. Do you know why?
Because they want to learn.
They want to learn,
Open-minded.
and they bring teams of people who know to push them. You follow? Because it's not about the guys talented. You always say, I'm talented, you really want. Don't let anyone lie to you.
It's true. I think it's.
Talented one, forget.
I think it's.
How many soccer players do you know? Don't talented.
No, I'm blind. I like half it.
I think because in Gawai talent, it's having a village, connection. There's no way you go.
And do you know how you do this connection? By going out and trying to do things. By going out to learn, go to these workshops. A lot of kids that I meet them at workshops. I went to Vets the other day. I'm shooting a web series for next year. I went to Vets awards, whatever. I got there. I saw the films. I'm like, oh, there's that kid. Oh, that kid. Oh, that kid. I even found 3 Tonga kids there. One is the director. One is the producer.
Wow.
I was even laughing with him. I'm like, hey, plus what I mean, no, so what I mean, you know, and I forgot the other one. But if I told who went to Vets and studied, I wouldn't have known if I didn't go to Vets. They wouldn't have met me if they didn't go to Vets as well. So let us do that, guys.
Yeah.
There's this very it's necessary because you get to understand most of the things.
No, but really question away. Go in your occupational space. Come on, certain way all out to think to yourself. Would you have known if you haven't opened a certain textbook in a certain way?
Hey, I wouldn't have known.
On this
Nerves.
Nerves and tendons. I didn't know the
how to stretch it.
So all my 4 tendons were gone. So they had to stretch them back and reconnect them. If it's a fibrosis, if you touch it, you can feel there's something not healing in my skin.
Yes.
They connected that thing. The way I occupation or whatever.
Therapist.
She knew that lady what to do.
And she did it with pain.
One, this is she take 8 months, guys. Or if I 8 months, Mara me anfa no kanitile no ko eso no I can do it at home. I will do it at home. Yeah. It's exactly that. I think at one point, can we just admit that I'm being washo? There's much TV. From about Jones, I was doing some auditions to win. One invited to come and help us with auditions. As I'm sitting there auditioning, every kid that I asked, where do you study? Because I could tell from how they're performing. Someone trained this one. All the kids that I asked, where you trained? No market lab. No. So my point is, training does not only mean go to university. You can go to these workshops. There are a lot of those things. Get something. And it will also help you to understand what acting you must diversify. Those things are people mentoring you, blah 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 blah. So it's okay.
I think if you need help with acting, come to comment.
No, man, it's again, man. I'm not training moon. No. Yes, why? I spent. Let me say this. I won't say wasted because at least in that people that we got, a lot of them end up on Giyani on this. But I spent 2 years
training,
trying to train people. Hoping Vatsonga. Why must I do it? Because my aim was no. Let me get on, okay. And no, I'm gonna cut me.
I didn't.
If anyone wants to go train, they must go figure it out by themselves. But I can't me. May I focus with what I'm focusing on doing and do. Because 2 years, again, these are things that when you're on social media, who know better than you also in the field, you can't say such things. Because man, I train that person. I'm cold, I don't talk about that. So I could do that. But my point is good. I'm never more.
Wow.
Honest. I'm never more. Could look at least the
It's about production.
Because trust me, the talk now within the industry is good. Little so-called, don't write that.
So,
But it's my point. Why? Because Baba didn't like Giyani. Baba didn't yeah, man. Because remember, the guys what audition for Giyani? They've got a couple of shows got eminent. The guys who are doing adulting, outlaws, even about the regular. So why on earth must they come and take you?
already kuna stigma.
And the stigma is about you
No, esikolweni. Nkombe esikolweni. Nkombe esikolweni. Aba esikolweni. Abayivumeli sorry.
Namuta the comment away la. That was one of them. I bet you can go my better one. Imagine Allah better. So I bet you clip or someone. Come on, that's guys, 100 he bet you. Come on, that's underneath this comment, you nangola. It's happening about Mala. Please come and break this thing. Break up, so please. I want my hand. Naila, please break this thing. Thank you. Thank you. Because for some reason we think we can, guys.
Yeah.
We have an opportunity, guys. I promise you we have an opportunity. We can do what Nigerians did.
Let's acknowledge that we
can
are wrong.
Do what Nigerians did. If it's not even the wrong thing. It's ignorance. Someone might think ignorance. Ignorance. It means we don't know something. It's ignorance of thinking it can be done without all these things. My younger brother, the guy at Atlanta, that's my younger brother. Yes. Younger brother how?
So in nepotism.
So here's how I did it. When Ziggy passed his high school I learned drama.
Okay.
His whole high school, he did drama high school. Look, after metric, he was convinced for a year. You're gonna go to varsity, study what? Drama. Look, South Africa had Jola. Me, all day, it's going to after. I designed this course. Because this is what you're gonna study. This way. I know something like that. Look, hey, Mama, I'm gonna 18 enter one way. 18 only is a problem. You must add 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yo, man, I'm passionate, but I don't give a damn about your passion. You will do this. Eventually, he did it. Pastor, Ziki has made more money through production than acting. I can go out then the call and I won't do that. It's not in me. But he did not, his ignorance at the time was because he knows better. But his mother, who's older than me, understood Fumani knows better because he's been in this thing for a while. I'll listen to Fumani.
Experience matters.
Even one day, I'll look up at that person. I'll show my energy. 4 years deep. Oh, she'll relax. You have not arrived yet. No. Relax. Auditions are did. Audition started around take. One day audition came. I said to him, listen, man, I'm going to show you the door. I'm opening it. I'm not going to do that nonsense for you. Because you won't have that thing you won't there. it will be like, about Flery. I want you to open the door. Now, Command.com had an audition for Inamba season 1. So Inamba season 1, here's what they did. Let me give the industry right now. So industry, don't think, you mentioned auditions. You don't know about the auditions, né? You're never gonna know about them. Do you know why? You're not in that space. There's a space that you're supposed to be in to know about auditions.
Yeah.
If you're not trained, you can't enter that space. Forget. I don't care how much your talent is. You won't enter that space if you're not trained. So number, here's what they did. They called it agencies. Like, yo, with a man, but for the auditions. They didn't say call open auditions. They called us by names. I think with 20 something, all of us that they called. Right? I'm like, yo, I know that guy auditions. I don't like how he auditions. You know from there. Yo, bruh, I said, some white guy. We're friends with him, each other for a couple of hours. Listen, he's a casting director. So he knows me, I know him, we have established a relationship. I'm like, yo, listen, I'm kind of audition. Can I please come with my younger brother? I don't know what are the lines now. I'm like, no, please come with him. Went with him. We've got it. Audition ahead. Look, yo, him you go behind this man. Why it's difficult not to break in, even though on a degree at acting. Tell him why it's difficult. Okay, but it's about reputation. I mean, why must I go out there and call everyone else who might ruin my reputation, that was going to ruin my money? I'll work based on what my reputation is what is all I have. So if I sell that trip down the river, it means I suffer for someone else's
mistake.
For someone else who didn't take time and put hard work in what they wanted to do. So I won't do that. But anyway, you recognize, young man. Saturday you go audition, dana. If you went for the same number, one auditioner, it went well. It went up until channel. I would either Ziggy and someone else. He didn't get that role. He was shattered. Do you know why was that shattered? Because he jumped steps. Because auditions, I went for auditions for over 2-3 years. Nothing was happening. Because auditions are not, they have a process. Here's the first process of auditions. You go, you get nothing. No? Next phase, you now go, you start to get other roles, not other roles, but you're now in the second. Why? Because really. I mean, because remember, the casting directors, even it's the same group. I know, for example, if I go to 7 casting directors, a casting company, chances are I'm going to get an ad. All the ads that I've shot, they could be from that particular one company. My casting is eating way. So after a while, you now jump to this step. It's about answer of thing. You get other roles and you don't get other roles. Then you jump to this step. You now start to get a lot of callbacks now. The callbacks look simply 3. Then you get to this step where some of them they just call you to come in. So now, Upasile, I skipped him to this step. And it was very intentional on Adonza. I want to show you how African chief. Relax. He was so shattered that he didn't want to do anything. But look, sir, I get all this step, Adam rejection. You see? The steps. You'd have been used to rejection, but now because he went to a step chart too high, there was nothing for him to hold on for an hour. So these are things that you learn in the age called Natasha acting. There are processes that you must learn.
I think also in every industry.
It's like that.
You are rejected.
It's like that.
You learn, I'm rejected, I need to press on.
So Vatsonga, they feel Giyani,
Giyani. Wow. Hi, very we were talking about when I posting one year just JB.
That's my guy.
With the Netflix here, The Guard.
JB.
It is in January 2024. Mos.
JP muna muna JP. Ya ta ba. She ring like JP. She don't talk about.
No, wow.
Come on, guys. Can I go?
Wow, thank you so much for honoring our invitation. It was mouthful. I can't kumuka. I can't.
But I want 100 rand.
Hey, you are.
I'll tell you some. I need to run a boat down.
Muna beijo para não morrer, guys.
I get. Yeah.
This episode is brought to you by Vatsonga Holdings. Enjoy.